Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to my partner visa page. So, today I'm going to be discussing with you the outline of the partner visa. So, this will include the documents you need, what partner visa to choose, how to choose it, all the above. Okay, so there is a complete webinar on partner visas framework. So, who am I? Now you've come to my page for a reason. Who is Nicolette? I am a registered migration agent and I've been an agent now for 9 years and I do specialize in partner visas in particular. Why should you choose me? Well, when people come to me and wanting to bring their partner here or how can we stay together longer, I make sure that I assess the relationship in depth. I also make sure that they can meet all the aspects of the partner visa, right? So, for example, we're going to go into this further. So, social aspects, financial aspects. Once I lodge your application, I also like to keep in constant communication with you to make sure that you are fully aware on what is going on with your file, especially if the case officer comes to us, requests for more information. I'm there with you throughout the whole process from beginning to end, okay, up until your partner gets their permanent residence. The reason why I go so in depth, guys, is because this visa is expensive. It is the most expensive visa out of all the visas, believe it or not. So it's best if we do it right from the beginning properly, we don't miss anything, we provide them all the information, and once I assess your application right from the beginning and I'm happy with it, you're one step away. So, what is the partner visa? What is its purpose? It's to bring you two together, and it's to allow you both to be in Australia, to remain in Australia together forever. What partner visa do you choose? Well, a lot of people can be a bit confused with this. Which subclass? What do they mean? The 820, 801 partner subclass visa is for onshore applicants. So those are the applicants that are on student visas, tourist visas, or any other substantive visa other than a bridging visa. The 309, 100 partner visa are for those applicants that are offshore, so out of Australia. How to put it together. So the partner visa is really all about your relationship documents. So we do and you do need to show that you can upload social aspects, financial aspects, commitment aspects, and household statements of your relationship. So, for example, social aspects, photos together, photos with friends and family, right? They like to see that you are social. So, financial aspects, joint accounts, or if you live apart, I also like to include money transfers. Okay, for example, Western Union. How to put it together. So make sure one, all your documents are translated into English. Number two, make sure that they are color that you can see them very clearly, especially with your identity documents. And number three, if they are not in color, make sure that they are certified. Okay. Now, I wanted to add this in too because I get a lot of people and even clients ask me, okay, how do I put it together? Is this right? Is this long enough? So with the relationship statement, it's not going to be the same. Everyone's not going to have 6 pages long or 10 pages long. Everyone's going to be different. So with this, you need to mention how you met your partner. How did you, no, sorry, when did you meet? When did you become married? When did you become exclusive? You need to mention all of these things. Especially also emphasize your future together. That helps a lot. So when it comes to temporary versus permanent stage of the partner visa, you technically do lodge together both at the same time, your partner visa, so both temporary, and then after 2 years, if you're still together, then that's when you can lodge the permanent stage of the partner visa. Or in certain circumstances, again, up to the discretion of the case officer, if you have a long-term relationship, for example, longer than 3 years, and you can show all of these 3 years, these 3 long years together, then you may be granted with a permanent stage. Okay. So for example, I had a case where they've been together since 2018, long distance, bought it here with a tourist visa. Then we lodged an Offshore Partner Visa. So again, we uploaded all of their social aspects, their long distance relationship commitment documents, and also their financial and amongst other things as well. And they were together for a very, very long time. And then it got lodged. And again, it took some time to process, about 15 months, but she got permanent residency. So she got double granted. Yay! And to top it off, she fell pregnant during processing time as well. So what happens if you choose my services? I guide you from step by step of the application process. I give you detailed samples and checklists to make sure that we do include all your documents, and if not, more documents we need to gather. Ongoing communication through the process, through the processing time, even after if you need to. My clients come to me because I make them trust me. I make this process easy and enjoyable. It doesn't have to be stressful. It is stressful enough. Now, the other doubt you may have for this whole process, even leading up, landing on my page, what would happen if you did this yourself? Well, it's not that hard, is it? You might not include enough documents. You might misunderstand the question. You might give them the wrong documents. Even worse, get it refused if you haven't shown enough sufficient documents, in particular showing that you are continuing and genuine and committed to one another. And then with that, there's additional costs involved. Again, stress and feeling that uncertainty throughout the whole processing time, that is it done right? Is it done enough to a standard where the case officer will be happy with my case? I help my clients through that process, mentor them, and just tell them it's okay, especially with those 28-day requests. Let's handle it together. What can you give me? What are they asking? I get many people come to me saying that they're overwhelmed, they're stressed, they've had enough, it's too much for them. And I just put their mind at ease. Still unsure? Just email us and we can get to you and we can have a chat, see where you're at mentally as well, and we can go from there. Just also, you can go through my Google reviews, have a look at my testimonials. The evidence is there. You know, I make sure that I put my clients first. I make sure that they're comfortable and that they are heard. Thanks for listening.